It's the last Vox of the year from Boxycharm by Ipsy. Wow, this year went fast. Did they end on a good note? Well, let's find out. This is from Appeal. I don't know if I've heard of that brand before. This is a hydrating eyeshadow primer. Oh, that's nice, and uses that a lot. Yes, I find that having an eyeshadow primer is a great help when it comes time to remove eyeshadow, especially if it's sparkly like what I'm wearing today. And it has a retail of $21. This is one of the items that they picked for me based on my profile. Pleased with this one. I always thought that this was KYS. Apparently it's LYS. Oh well. They picked a lipstick, and this is the shade. It seems a little darker than what I might usually prefer, so I'm not going to dig into it yet. I'm going to decide what to do with this one. The shade is called, I can get it right side up, Desired. I will say the packaging, it's shiny on one side, and then the other two sides of the triangle are, I'm sure it is fake, but it feels like suede. Oh, whoa. Yeah. So that's what the whole thing looks like. And that has a retail of $20. Of the two things that they picked for me based on my profile, I would say my choice would be, not that, find the right box. There we go, found the right box. Sometimes things get lost on the table when it's not in front of you. I would say my pick of the two is the eyeshadow primer. I see myself definitely using this one. Have you tried these? Let us know down below. And now let's find out what Anne picked for her choices for this final box. I saw this and I immediately pounced. This is a vitamin C product from Rhode Island. It is the Papaya Enzyme Scrub to Brighten and Renew. That sounds good for the new year. Yes, it does. It is, what size is this? 2.36 fluid ounces with a retail of $50. And I will admit, yes, this is for your face. I sometimes have the habit of using this as an overall body scrub. I know that's not what they designed it for, but sometimes mixing it up a little bit is kind of nice. And I'm trying to get a look at it through the ring light, and it looks like it's full up to there. From Dew of the Gods, Anne picked a $30 face oil. Dew of the Gods is one of my favorite brands that I have discovered over the years from opening lots of boxes. This is Dew of the Gods Palm Glaze. Pomegranate plus retinol reparative facial oil. And it is 1 ounce, 1 fluid ounce. And the last thing she picked was a $29 lip oil. This is in the shade Jessica. It's pale pink. I'm not going to dig into it right now because I've got more lip oils and lip balms open than what should be legal. So I want to keep this one until I use up what I am using up. It's from a company called Dalish. And I'm trying to recall if I've used that brand before. I don't think I have. And it is in the shade Jessica, which, as I said, is a pale pink. has a $29 retail value. So if I had to pick a favorite from this part of the box, that's kind of hard. It would be a tie, I think, between the Rodial product and the Dew of the Gods. Those would be my two favorite items. Have you tried any of these? Let us know down below. We're nosy. I'm a nosy camel, she's a nosy content creator. So my box had a overall retail of $150, which, considering that with my annual subscription I pay $28 and change per box, that's a very good return, I think, on my investment. Monthly pricing, I believe, is now $32 plus their $2 handling fee. So even at $34, that would still be a good return on the investment. And if you're not familiar with this, we do have a link down below. Might save you a few coins. You do get 5 full-size items, and you certainly can't knock that these days. The shipping is free, and you get to choose 3 of the items based on the profile that you pick out. So your choices are based on your profile as well as the items that they choose for you. Thank you for watching us this year unbox this box, and we'll be doing it again next year. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. Hope everyone is having a happy holiday season. Check out our Advent list if you haven't seen that playlist. It's a wild one. Thanks for watching today, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.